Hi, मैं हूँ दीपशिका नागपाल and you're watching Films of India. Keep watching.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm here with Deepshika Nagpal, the film and television actress, and most recently you've seen her on Big Boss. Deepshika ji, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, first things first, you were recently evicted out of the house,
Yeah.
and clearly no one was expecting it. Forget about the viewers, even Salman was not expecting it. You definitely were not expecting it. How did you feel when you came to know that you were going to be out of the house? What was the first kind of a reaction?
I'm still in a state of shock. समझ में नहीं आया. I said my Big Boss का journey just started and it ended so fast. By the time I realized I'm in Big Boss house, I was out of the house. Even घर वालों को भरोसा नहीं था. They were like shocked that Deepshika is not going to go. But when I got to know that Pritam, Arya and one more guy, Praneeth was there, I think, with me.
Praneeth or Puneet?
Puneet was not there. One more person was there. When the three boys were safe, and only me and Sonali was there, so I told everybody I'm going because Sonali got evicted once and she came back after 3 days. So definitely she's not going to go.
And they're not going to do that again.
They're not going to do that again.
Right.
So that's why I said I knew it कि लोग मुझे निकालेंगे. क्यों निकाला, क्या निकाला? I don't understand. Still I'm clueless. Because inside, when I came out and I saw the episodes and everybody saying that you were very good, very good. Abhi tak, like even if I want to try to move on of that Big Boss thing, people don't let me do it because जहाँ भी जाती हूँ, if I go for shopping, if I go to children's school or if I go for anywhere, अरे you आप कैसे आ गए? We thought you'll go in top 5. We thought I said even Salman was shocked. Salman said, I'm still shocked. I kept checking again and again. Are you sure Deepshika गई है? और जब सलमान ने बोला कि दीपशिका, so they all thought that he's joking. जैसे हमेशा उनकी आदत होती है करने की. And I said every time we can't have a same joke, and it was right. So I came out, I was howling and crying because you get attached in the house. But when I came and Salman hugged me so tightly, that hug actually worked. And he said, "रुको आपको दिखाता हूँ." And when he showed me all the clippings of Puneet sir and other people were talking about me, and I'm like, oh my God, that time I was like, shit, Puneet sir especially. I really looked after that man like a sister. He was not well. Secret Society mein, he wanted to quit the show because he has this claustrophobia ka problem. And he said, मुझे show नहीं करना है, channel को बुला, इसको बुला. He was very violent. Nobody could control him. Big Boss kept telling हमें दीपशिका पे भरोसा है, दीपशिका पुनीत जी को समझाएगी. And that's my nature. I genuinely explained him कि पुनीत जी ये सिर्फ शो है, ये कुछ दिन के लिए हम लोग सीक्रेट सोसाइटी में, then we'll go to our house. एंड हेल्थ की बात थी तो ही इज एंड माई डॉक्टर सेम. डॉक्टर तो टोल के हेल्थ ग्राउंड पर उनको निकाल दो, पुनीत सर को निकाल दो. आई वॉज द वन, मतलब उस टाइम पे मैंने बहुत उनको साथ दिया क्योंकि क्या होता है आप कहीं पे भी होते हो उस टाइम पे कोई सपोर्ट होना चाहिए. ही गॉट स्कैर्ड कि ये लोग मेरा ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे. देन ही स्पोक टू हिज वाइफ एंड देन ही सेड आई विल डू इट. सो आई सेड कम ऑन, इट्स दिस, दैट्स लाइक अ गुड स्पिरिट. आई वाज लाइक दैट एंड दैट मैन ही जस्ट शिफ्टेड. ही वाज प्लेइंग गेम फ्रॉम द डे वन. ही इज मतलब अमेजिंग. अगर कोई आदमी 24 घंटे ऐसा हो तो हैट्स ऑफ टू दैट पर्सन कि इतना दिमाग 24 घंटे चलता है. एंड ही स्टार्टेड कटिंग मी आउट एंड ही स्टार्टेड ब्रेन वॉशिंग अदर पीपल अगेंस्ट मी. जो मैं नहीं हूँ, कह रहे वो आई है ना, अभी देखना वो ऐसा करेगी, अभी वो आई है. एंड आई वाज लाइक पुनीत जी खाना खाया, पुनीत जी ये किया. एवरीबडी इज टू रिस्पेक्ट हिम. हम हमारा खाना हटा के पुनीत जी को देते थे. और बाद में when I saw the episode, he's bitching about.
You must have felt like an idiot. That what the hell is happening?
Till today I feel like an idiot. I said shit. मतलब, I am completely detached now. I'm completely. ऐसा लगता है कि किसी का भला नहीं करना चाहिए लाइफ में. If you go for a game, you think like a game, but maybe you cannot think. You forget after some time the cameras are around. आपका real self बाहर आता है. तो all this thing, of course you feel hurt. And especially him because केशव ने बोला था कि पुनीत जी ध्यान रखना. He's saying she's like my sister, you're God sent to me. इतने बड़े बड़े dialogue. He's a fake man. He's a fake dirty man. Anyways, that's how I think people are. But मैं वो आप साइड पे रखो. वोटिंग नहीं हुई. चैनल says people thought कि you are very strong contender. Sometimes जैसे काम्या के साथ हुआ था कि ये तो जाएगी नहीं तो उसको वोट नहीं किया कि ये तो सेफ है. That happened with me. That's what channel is saying. It is our loss because you were doing very good. You were playing very good. You were giving content like you. I was the one who was there exactly. In the episode. इसलिए लोगों को लगा कि दीप्शी तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो उसके लिए वोट नहीं करते. तो I said no, I have no answer for that. And if that is the true, I don't know if voting really counts, then why Sonali was out and she came back again. So then whole thing is still in my mind and don't know what has happened.
And it's kind of funny what the kind of footage they showed and what you're saying, that Puneet sir is like people think of him as Duryodhan, and he's actually like he's gossiping a lot in the house.
He's like a Janani in the house.
So he's like a Janani in Duryodhan's body, you're saying?
Yeah, he's वो दुर्योधन की body में जनानी औरत है. मेरे Twitter account पे देखो everybody saying, then I am telling this because आप देखो बिग बॉस के घर में लड़कियां बिचिंग नहीं कर रही है जितना लड़के बिचिंग कर रहे हैं. All men are just bitching, and especially this, not I can't say Upen and Arya and all, but these three people are like, they want to cook, they want to gossip, they want to do this. I'm like, come on, grow up. They're not going to grow up. That is what they're doing it, and I think that is why people are liking it. That's why they are there in the house till now.
What about the other two P's? Preetham, he's an RJ, he knows how to handle people very well. That's his job. How is he doing in the house? More importantly, how is he as a person?
I have seen closely Preetham. He's a RJ. He's very good entertainer. उसको अपने language पे command है. वो उसको पता है कि मुझे क्या बोलते रहना है because that's his job. But as a person, I don't think he's not a good person. Like maybe nobody knows him. So this is the chance for him. Is a do and die situation. Like जैसे Diandra का चीज़ था. Diandra was wearing bikini and he was like अरे जहर लग रही हो, and the way he talks and all, it's very creepy. The comments he passed. But then we thought कि जाने दो, एक ही घर में रहना है. फिर वो सॉरी बोल देगा, फिर वो वैसे ही बात करेगा, और वो ही दिख रहा है जो हरकतें वो कर रहा है.
So you won't say that when he says something like तुम जहर दिख रही हो, it's not as a joke.
No, it's not as a joke. It's a very vulgar. He does that thing. You don't like somebody commenting on you like that. एक होता है ना sporty, like if your friend says like Upen must be saying, oh you look very good, you look hot. You'll not feel bad because that's him. He's not saying, oh, you look hot, It's not like that.
Slimy burger.
So, very, very dirty people.
And what about Praneeth?
Praneeth is Thali ka bangle. He wants to be here and here and here. Everybody's good books. वो खाली ज्ञान बांटते रहते हैं. इन लोग सिर्फ ज्ञान बांटते रहते हैं. पुनीत सर और प्रणीत ये महाभारत में ये हुआ था और गीता में ये लिखा था और ये हमारे संस्कार हैं. If you see Puneet sir and Praneet talking, they talk ज्ञान, they talk मतलब wisdom talks, and after that
Shakuni and Duryodhan have gotten together in the
they actually उनके कैरेक्टर में बहुत ज़्यादा घुस गए हैं. बट जिस तरह से वो बात करते हैं, it's like please hello practice what you preach. They talk something else, they do something else. So बाहर दिखाते oh my god so literate person, इतना उन्हें ज्ञान है, इतना अच्छा आदमी है, but they like this.
No. And what about Upen? Like a lot of people said he is not taking part too much, he is not speaking too much. Other people are saying that the guy is a true gentleman. He is not playing a game. So what kind of a person is Upen Patel?
Upen, he has
according to you, how is he in the house? Is he doing the right thing?
I can't say right thing or wrong thing. That's him. Because Upen he has a language problem. उसको आधा चीज़ समझ में नहीं आती, तो वो उसके लिए भी थोड़ा शांत रहता है. Secondly, he is a gentleman. He is actually gentleman. He will help everybody. अगर वो गेम खेल रहा है और ये इसका नेचर है, तो that is why he is not hurting anybody. He is doing his thing. He is giving back whatever he wants to give back, but he is not hurting anybody, and he is lovable. Everybody loves him in the house. So मतलब ऐसा ना, you want to sit and talk to Upen. Me and Upen has a lot of talks. We used to connect karmically. We talked a lot of Buddhism and a lot of spiritualism. We used to talk. Arya that way is very well behaved. उसकी हिंदी बहुत साफ है, बात करने का उसको भी पता क्या है. So we got along more with Arya, Upen, Sushant, all these three guys than other people. Gautam I can't say Gautam is a bad guy. Gautam is a psycho.
He's a little psycho. He's a little psycho in the sense that the look in his eyes, as in his eyes, his behavior is psychoish, or is he actually, people get a little scared in his presence because of the way he reacts?
No, he was not. His eyes and look is psycho 100%. But जब सलमान ने first week में बोल दिया Gautam you are doing good, so after that he knows what I am doing. I am giving content. I am doing right. People are liking me.
That is a very big assurance.
So Salman says, so then you know कि boss बाकी सब गए भाड़ में, मैं जो कर रहा हूँ सही है, and which is good. उसको अगर शो में टिकना है, उसको हर हफ्ते नॉमिनेट होता है, बट हर हफ्ते वो सेफ हो जाता है क्योंकि वो नॉन स्टॉप उसकी एनर्जी लेवल बात करता रहेगा, झगड़ा करेगा, पागल की हरकतें करेगा. दैट वर्क्स. बट still he's better than this guys, you know.
No, definitely. But does he have a very big female fan following? Because he's got a sculpted physique and all. And he keeps showing it off all day. So do you think he's gonna...
Maybe that's one of the strategy. I used to keep telling him, बार बार पे कपड़े क्यों उतार देता है गौतम?
But he's got a good physique.
तो इस तरह मैं जिम ऐसे करता हूँ, ऐसे तू तेरे जिम में ऐसे वर्कआउट करता है. तो see when you are living with each other, you little feel कि ये क्या कर रहा है? Why you removing your shirt? But then he exactly knows he is on the show. He is here to play game. So this is my USP.
Okay.
So he's doing it.
Check out my cuts.
हाँ, so he's doing it, and which is okay, ठीक है. शो ऑफ कर रहा है which is fine, but मैं अभी भी बोलती हूँ कि ये तीनों आदमी से गौतम is far better.
Yeah, if you compare them, definitely.
Yeah.
That's you made that clear. And what about this new guy Ali? What are your views on him? If you're watching the show, what are your views about Ali? The way he's doing the captaincy.
Ali is doing very good captaincy, and then I heard they're saying कि ये तो female दीपशिका है. मेरे ट्विटर पे भी आया कि डोमिनेट कर रहा है, सबको कर रहा है. So there you go. कैप्टन का काम होता है सब डिसिप्लिन में लाना, लेकिन जैसे हमारे इंडिया में एमसीपी बिहेवियर होता है ना कि अगर कोई औरत ऑर्डर दे रही, so they don't want to do it, they don't like it.
Female bosses more or less are not really looked up to in India. That is
Ali is shouting more than me. I was not screaming and shouting. Ali is everything. You do this.
Because he's a guy.
He's a guy, and they sit and they laugh on the dirty joke and whatever they do it, so they are fine. But any female is doing, आप ये मत करो, आप वो मत करो, they don't like it. बहुत चिल्लाती है जैसे उसका घर है. So इसको हटाओ. It's very clear फंडा. Who felt this? Only Puneet, Pritam and Praneet. Why rest of the 12 people didn't think like that?
It's
They didn't thought.
It's very
कि
clear.
they said कि Deepshika is a captain and she is doing a job. Ali is doing it, they like it कि चलना छोड़ना. अली की भी पीछे बुराई करेंगे, अली की भी बैंड बजाएंगे उन लोग पीछे. But at least they are enjoying कि चला लड़का है ना मुझे बोल रहा है, लड़की तो नहीं बोल रही है ना. So ego, male ego gets hurt. That's one of the reason now I'm out of the house. And they maybe the guys like कि oh she should be nice, she should be always polite. But if you're nice and polite, people don't listen to you.
Right.
And you are in certain situation, you have to put
have
your
to be authoritative.
yeah. And being authoritative, if you think she's loud, then I'm sorry, then I'm like this only.
But that specific episode when Upen was with Sonali in bed, and then they've shown the footage that Ali walks up to talk to them, and then he inappropriately touches Sonali, which is what Sonali says. So given you as a viewer right now, whose side would you take? You think Sonali was actually, he touched her inappropriately, or what happened?
I don't know, I can't say because I was not there. But if Ali has touched her like that, then it's not right. I don't know what is right thing, what has happened between them, because what we see, it is just a glimpse.
Yeah.
But if Ali has done that, then it's not a good thing to do to any woman, because if she's not comfortable, she should not do it.
Right, right.
If she's comfortable, she's friendly, then it's fine, it's her choice. But you cannot push somebody to do that, because जैसा सोनाली ने react किया, सोनाली की बात से मैं बोल रही हूँ. So if that is the case, then he's not right.
And then a lot of people are talking about the fact that, you know, Sonali sometimes when she's in bed with Upen, sometimes she's in bed with Gulati. So do you think she is doing the right thing by what is being shown on television?
She's playing a game.
Now moving on, your first movie in Bollywood was Koila with Shah Rukh Khan. So there's this scene in the beginning, I mean in the movie where you are with Shah Rukh. So what was it like when you knew that your first scene was going to be with Shah Rukh Khan, the Bacha?
I am a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan, and especially Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. It was like, oh my God, Raj, you know, it's all over. Which girl will not like Raj? So I was like, oh, Shah Rukh Khan. My first scene that I'm dying in his arm, and I'm like, मेरी तो बैंड बज गई, तो लंबा चौड़ा dialogue था. And my call time was morning 9 o'clock, and my shoot happened next day early morning 4 o'clock. तो शाहरुख को शूटिंग समवेयर, तो तब तक राकेश जी ने मेरे शॉट्स ले लिए थे, लाइक क्लोजअप्स एंड लाइट्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग, एंड विच आई डिड दैट माय फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द शूट. So Rakesh ji was very impressed by my work, and he said, you met Deepshika, Shahrukh, she's very good. So Shahrukh said, let's see. And I felt, let's see, matlab, come on yaar, matlab, you are good, you are Shahrukh Khan, but I'm no less. But when he did, तो मैंने एक take दिया, Shahrukh was like, I was like this close to Shahrukh Khan. And I finished my scene, and I got up and I went, and I didn't speak to him. Then later on, when we were shooting in Udaipur, we were together, we used to sit together, like बारिश गिर रही में और शाहरुख एक छतरी में है, तो लोग कमेंट करते, हाय छतरी छोटी हो जाती. But then I got to know Shahrukh is very buddy kind of a friend, you know. He used to talk like I was in a boys' hostel and thing. For him, talking to me or talking to another guy is the same thing. He didn't think, oh, I'm talking to one girl. So that time I told Shahrukh, I said, Shahrukh, you know, this happened. And he said, no, I didn't mean it. Because he's saying, I love my space, so I wanted you to have your space. But I told Shahrukh, good you did that. अगर शाहरुख ने तब लेट्स सी नहीं बोला होता तो शायद वो सीन होता नहीं, या मुझे पहले दिन निकाल देते उन लोग, बिकॉज ही सेड लेट्स सी, सो आई टुक इट एज अ चैलेंज and I finished that thing. So that is the one incident I can never forget. And होता ना, it's like a blessing in disguise. After that तो we used to chat and we used to sit, and तब तो कोई मोबाइल्स नहीं होते थे. शाम को पैकअप किया तो हम लोग कैरम खेलते थे, डांस करते थे, ट्रंक कॉल पे लाइन पे खड़े रहते थे. एंड आई सेड शाहरुख मेरा फ़ोन लग गया, आपका फ़ोन नहीं लगा, यू नो दिस इज़ व्हाट. सो दैट दोज डेज आर मतलब very nice days. Now all the stars are larger than life. You cannot reach them. It is like, you know, you think 10 times to talk to them.
Why?
Because the corporates come and corporates made them big brand. पहले होता था कि शाहरुख का रूम इधर है, हमारा रूम इधर है. शाहरुख also walking and going to the room. We also walking that side. Now the 10 bodyguards going and there's a safety security. Maybe the life has changed. The corporate world has changed the scenario of actors. So you feel कि can I talk or should I talk or should I not talk 10 times? But whenever I meet Salman, Shahrukh, Hrithik, anybody, they meet me so nicely. They're so down to earth. All these big stars. Like I feel so touched when I was leaving, and Rekha ji came, and Rekha ji said, "I know Deepshika. You know, she looks like Parveen Bobby." So I'm like, "Oh my God, I'm a big fan of Rekha ji." And then Salman, देखा मैंने बोला था 10 साल से मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये परवीन भाभी लगती है. It's such a sweet gesture, it's an innocent gesture. It's not like, oh, I'm Salman Khan and how can I talk like that? And when I came out and he saw me crying, he was like this. They didn't show, but he was standing like this in the way he hugged me, because he understood कि क्या हो रहा है. And then he told the audience कि ये ना इन्होंने partner किए, मेरी बहन बनी थी. Then जानम समझा रहा, he was introducing me to the people, which is, I was so touched, you know, that being Salman Khan, he's so down to earth and he was doing it.
Why do people like Salman Khan so much? The thing is, there are a lot of his films where he's not done too much of acting, and he himself admits it that, you know, he doesn't do too much of preparation, but his films do very well. Basically, one of the reasons being because he's got a huge fan following. People love Salman Khan. Why do people love Salman Khan so much?
According to me, I think he's the only young guy. He's the only bachelor, good-looking, hot bachelor around. And
in Bollywood?
Bollywood.
Oh, come on, there must be more in Bollywood.
सलमान खान के रेंज में तो वो अकेला ही है.
अच्छा, in that range, okay.
बाकी सबकी शादी हो गई है. And he's a good-looking hunk, and he's a amazing person. I call him Angel. I always call him Angel because he does so much for others. और आज भी आप सलमान को मिलोगे, he is like a little child in him, you know. He doesn't have, oh, I am Salman Khan. He always like, he makes you feel so comfortable. He's something else. And he's that nature, that positive nature, and being kind and being human nature comes out so much that people loves him. अगर हम बोलेंगे ना सलमान, ये सलमान बोलेगा, 10 साल पहले तो कोई सलमान खान को पूछता नहीं था. आज मेरा टाइम चल रहा है तो सलमान खान है.
Because he went through a very bad phase before.
So he admits, so success doesn't go in his head. He's very down to earth. He's very normal. कि बेटा आज है, कल होगा, नहीं होगा. That's niceness of him shows, and that's why people love him. You know, like everybody hard. मतलब बच्चा, बूढ़ा, लड़की, औरत, सब लोग सलमान खान को प्यार करते हैं.
Another thing about Salman, whenever there is a press show, whenever there is a public screening, whenever there is some press meet, he is always asked, Salman, when are you getting married? Who are you getting married to? Should people stop asking him that now?
Yeah, please stop asking.
बंदे को कितना पूछोगे?
अरे जिस दिन
नई शादी करनी है, ठीक है.
उसकी मर्जी यार, उसकी लाइफ है.
उसकी लाइफ है.
उसको सब लोग ने शादी करके कौन से झंडे गाड़ लिए जो सलमान को पसंद करे. He is happy, and जिस दिन वो शादी करेगा पता चल जाएगा.
जिस दिन शादी करेगा, I mean, there'll be
कितना हार्ट ब्रेक हो जाएंगे, कितने लोगों के.
Heart break is actually, I think, a very mild word.
अटैक हो जाएंगे, ऐसा लगता है मुझे तो पॉपुलेशन कम हो जाएगी.
It's going to be very bad if Salman Khan gets married.
See, you said it.
Exactly.
So stop asking him when are you getting married.
I don't know why people keep asking him. So now to end, do you think that Deepshika Nagpal is going to be called back to the Big Boss house?
I have no clue. I have no clue because
But you are hopeful?
I don't know. I'm shocked that why I'm out of the house. When I can come out of the house, तो what चैनल के दिमाग में क्या है, क्रिएटिव के दिमाग में क्या है, ऑडियंस के दिमाग में क्या है, मुझे अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मेरे साथ हुआ क्या. मैं अच्छा खासा पार्लर में बैठी थी, आई गेट अ कॉल, आई गो इन बिग बॉस हाउस, आई गो इन सीक्रेट सोसाइटी, आई कम आउट, आई एम इन द प्लेन, आई बिकम अ कैप्टन. अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है पीपल हैव नॉट इवन एक्सप्लोर माई सेल्फ, पीपल हैव नॉट नोन मी रियल दीपशिखा. इट इज़ सेटल होता ना कि अभी तो मैं इधर थी, अभी मैं इधर से इधर आई हूँ, अब तो जाके मैं करूँगी. अभी तक इज़ वेरी गुडी थिंग वॉज हैपनिंग. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है पीपल हैव नॉट सीन मी इनफ एंड दिस वॉज अ अपॉर्चुनिटी that people could have known me personally, who Deepshika is, and they're just judging me with the task, ye task hai, wo task hai. That was just a task. You don't know who I am. So I think it's a loss for both of us. I am not able to show myself to an audience.
Especially with that Karishma Tanna and Gautam Gulati incident, which was again, people said it was stretched, Salman said it was stretched, lot of
Stretched like a rubber. So 1 week तो it was just going, Gautam ने गाली दी, Gautam ने गाली दी, तो all the contestant was behind. बाय द टाइम मैं दिखने लगी तब तक तो मेरे को आउट कर दिया उन्होंने.
बट ठीक है, उसके मुंह से गाली निकल गई, दैट इट कैन हैपन इन द हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट, बट द गाय अपोलोजाइज्ड इनफ नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. व्यूअर्स, लॉट ऑफ व्यूअर्स फील दैट करिश्मा तन्ना was solely responsible for stretching that thing like a rubber and everybody followed in her footsteps.
See what you see, I agree, गाली उसने दी जो नहीं देनी चाहिए थी किसी को भी, नेशनल टीवी और नॉट नेशनल टीवी. You cannot abuse somebody. B, करिश्मा felt bad, बहुत genuine था कि उसको बुरा लगा, लेकिन आप लोग को वहाँ जो अंदर था तो हाँ sorry, I'm sorry. After 10 minutes he'll react, ठीक है ना, okay. His action and his sorry doesn't go together. So when you are inside, you say, hey, Gautam, you just said sorry. It is not everybody was against him. Nobody is, कोई उसको जानता नहीं, कोई उसका personal दुश्मन नहीं है.
Because that is exactly what it looked like.
No, it looked like because that was people is seen. Channel is shown that thing कि गौतम ने गाली दी तो ठीक है ना, करिश्मा उसको स्ट्रेच क्यों कर रही है, बट उसने आके मुझे बोला, दीदी ही कुछ टू कॉल मी दीदी, कि सॉरी मेरी गलतियों का ऐसे. गौतम तू गुस्सा कर, तू चिल्ला, गाली इज नॉट, हम लोग भी. एंड ही वाज इंस्टिगेटिंग सुशांत टू प्रूव इन द नाइट ही सेड सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी. तो एक होता ना आदमी को बुरा लगता है कि यार मेरे को गाली देनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग ही डिडंट फील बैड, तो ठीक है ना, आई सेड इट एंड आई सेड सॉरी. वो सब नहीं दिखाया. देन सुशांत को भी इंस्टिगेट कर रहा था, मेरे से बात कर, कान में झंडू बाम लगा रहा था, मुंह पे ये कर रहा था, बार बार चैनल को दिखा था कि देखो मैं इसको इंस्टिगेट कर रहा हूं, अभी ये मुझे गाली देगा. जी वो अपने आप को जस्टिफाई कर रहा था.
Reality shows are a tricky business. Huh?
Very tricky business. I'm telling you, I came out of Big Boss with big scar in my heart. Because I've gone through ups and downs in my life. But what Big Boss has done to me, like maybe it's too fresh, that's why I'm saying, your emotion, you physically, mentally, emotionally drains out. It drains you out. And end of the way, you feel they're being used you like a tissue paper, use and throw. जो स्मार्ट होगा उसको पता होगा कि भैया मैं तो यूज़ हो रहा हूँ तो मैं और यूज़ हूँ, मैं टीआरपी करूँ. जो इमोशनल होगा, जो थोड़ा भी वीक होगा हार्ड इमोशनली, वो हट जाएगा. बिकॉज जो गौतम नॉन स्टॉप कर रहा है, जो पुनीत और प्रीनीत नॉन स्टॉप कर रहे हैं, तुम नॉन स्टॉप नहीं खेल सकते, ये उनका नेचर है. 1 मिनट में सोनाली को भी प्यार के बाद में बोला हटा, मेरे को सोनाली, दैट्स हिज कैरेक्टर. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट. पीपल लाइक, मतलब आई एम सेइंग सॉरी टू से, people are liking to see men gossiping. When I came out of the house and I'm watching this show and I saw people are like क्या बोला उसने क्या किया, I'm like छी man, मतलब you people are really enjoying that men are gossiping and in this level कि मुंह पे नहीं बेटा मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. This episode पुनीत सर मुंह पे बोला, गौतम बेटा मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, मैं तेरे को बचाऊंगा. अंदर जाके उसको एक बल्ब भी नहीं लगाया, ओपन को जिता दिया. तो तू बोलना मैं ओपन को जिताना चाहता हूँ. बिकॉज यू आर स्कैर्ड कि सब मुझे नॉमिनेट करने के, बिकॉज यू स्कैर्ड कि अगर मेरे ये 2 बंदे, मेरे 2 हाथ हट जाएंगे तो सब तो खा जाएंगे मुझे. तो तुम मुंह पे बोल रहे हो कि नहीं मैं तो तुझे जिताऊंगा. मैं मतलब इतना गंदा पॉलिटिक्स, और मैं बल का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहता. कम ऑन यार, आइदर यू डोंट हैव बल और यू जस्ट टॉक अबाउट बल. आई माइंड से कि अगर आपको गेम खेलना है तो खेलो, फिर बहन भाई दोस्त मत बनाओ ना. रिश्ते की क्यों बैंड बजा रहे हो? नो रिस्पेक्ट फॉर रिश्ता. मैं तो किसी को बहन नेम से मत बनाओ ना बहन, बोलो मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ.
शायद वही उनका गेम है,
वही गेम है. वो तो रियल लाइफ में भी वो गेम ही खेलते हैं. अगर वो किसी को बहन बोलेंगे तो देन पीपल शुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. और जब गौतम के ऊपर हुआ तो उसको हर्ट हो गया कि पुनीत सर ने ऐसा नहीं किया. जो तुम दूसरों के साथ कर रहे हो तो क्या है? जब गेम खेल रहे हो, दूसरों को हर्ट कर रहे हो तो खुद भी हर्ट होने के लिए तैयार रहो ना. then why that hypocrisy comes? So don't ask me about all this thing. I'll go. Your episode will go on and on and on for this. You know.
That you heard it from her. The main question is: has Indian society truly become so voyeuristic and so downtroddenly voyeuristic that we love gossip, and we would actually prefer gossip to actual character and substance? But only time will tell.
No, and one more thing. Sorry to cut
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
That what he says, and then you don't want to see women who are strong. तो you saying कि आदमी औरत कंधा से कंधा चला मिला के चलती है, and then you don't like women dominating or women bossing around. She's doing her task, she's doing her work. So then again is the Indian hypocrisy. कि men you like to go, you want to see men gossiping and women dominating. तो तुमको दोनों नहीं चीज़ अच्छी लग रही है. So that's my take on it. कि you can add to this कि you want, people don't like strong women, they get attracted to strong women, but they don't want strong women next to them, you know.
You guys let us know in the comment section below. Till next time, this was Dipshika Nagpal. Thank you
so
Dipshika ji.
much. Thank you.
And I think she'll be back in the Big Boss house, but I think the next 2 months will tell us that. Till next time, take care.
Thank you.